In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Outlook calendar to your Google Calendar. This is a handy feature if you want to manage all your events in one place. So let's get started. Firstly, you'll need to open up your web browser and head over to the Outlook website. Once you're there, log in using your Outlook email credentials. This is an essential step to access your calendar, so make sure you enter the correct details. Once you're logged in, you'll notice a settings icon in the upper right corner of the page. Click on that to open the settings menu. From the settings menu, look for the option labeled Calendar and give it a click. It's here that we'll be able to manage the shared calendars. Under this section, you will see Shared Calendars. Clicking on this will bring up another menu with additional options. In the Shared Calendars menu, you'll see a drop-down labeled Select a Calendar. Click on that and then select the calendar that you wish to share. After selecting your calendar, there's an option labeled Select Permissions. You're going to want to click on this to choose the sharing permissions. Make sure you select the appropriate permissions level that suits your needs, ranging from view only to edit permissions. Once that's done, another button labeled Publish will appear. Clicking on this will open a selection menu where you will see an option for ICS format. Go ahead and select ICS, as this is the file type Google Calendar uses for importing events. Next, there should be an option to copy link. Clicking this will generate a link that you'll need to import your calendar to Google. Once you've clicked on copy, you've done everything you need to within Outlook. Now let's head over to the Google Calendar website. You might need to log in if you aren't already, so enter your Google account information and sign in. Once you're in, look for the little plus sign next to Other Calendars on the left sidebar. Click on that and you'll see an option that says From URL. This is where the link you copied earlier comes into play. Paste the link you copied from Outlook into the field provided and then hit Add Calendar. And that's it! Your Outlook calendar should now appear in your Google Calendar. Now your schedules are all synced up, giving you a seamless calendar experience. By following these steps, you can easily manage your Outlook events right from Google Calendar, making it more accessible and organized. Enjoy the convenience of having all your events in one place, and thanks for watching.